As the weather has changed, I've noticed a trend when we're doing our clubs and our tune-ups and our restorations. We're replacing a lot of capacitors. This is something that helps the motor mainly. These are run capacitors, not the dual capacitor that are on the compressor that helps that motor and that compressor run. These are run capacitors, which help the blower. And I don't remember a season in which I've seen so many caps needing to be replaced because of failure. So if these folks would have waited until it got really cold and really needed the heat full time, these units would have failed. So it's good to do preventive maintenance to catch this before it's a problem.